How to create YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create and design and also export a YouTube thumbnail using the Canva application. Canva is a very great tool to create and design YouTube thumbnails as it provides a ton of features and accessories to choose from. So let me show you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail using the Canva. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is create a YouTube thumbnail design. So in order to create a design, you can either click on to this create button right here over the left, or you may also choose to click onto this plus icon at the top. So for example, let me click onto this create button and then you can search for YouTube or any other design that you want. So since I've searched for YouTube, it is showing me designs available related to YouTube, like YouTube thumbnail, YouTube banner, YouTube shorts, YouTube channel logo, YouTube ad, and there are different types of YouTube ads as well. So since we are looking for thumbnail, I'm gonna click onto this first option that says YouTube thumbnail, and here is the specific size that is 1280 by 720 pixels. So let's click onto this first option, and here you can see that this is our blank canvas for the YouTube thumbnail. So our thumbnail will be of this particular size, and everything that we add into this will be added into our thumbnail. So you can also choose to add some from the templates by going to this design tab, and from here you can choose any of the templates as well if you want. So you can, after adding the templates, you can change the text, apply more filters, apply some elements or your own images, and then once you are done with all of that, you can simply download this particular thumbnail by clicking onto this share button and then clicking onto the download button. So that's how easily you can create, edit and download a YouTube thumbnail in the Canva application. So that was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.